Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your project and selecting the clip with the text you want converted. Tap the text layer so editing tools appear. This direct action brings up the speech or TTS option. Make sure your app is updated, because older builds hide language choices. Once the text editor is active, you'll see a text-to-speech or speech button. Tap it to open voice options. This step is essential because it loads the language selector and voice presets you'll change next. You now pick the language and voice. After tapping speech, open the language menu. Capcut lists supported languages and regional variants. Once your language is chosen, select a voice preset, male, female, or character, and press play to preview. Make adjustments to speed and pitch so the tone matches your clip. Slower speeds help clarity, while slight pitch changes can reduce robotic sound. When you're satisfied with the preview, apply the voice so the text converts into the audio track in your finish by applying the TTS and syncing the generated audio to your text timing on the timeline. Trim or ripple as needed so speech matches visuals. If the language you need is missing, make sure the app is updated, switch device region temporarily, or try signing in with a different locale. These workarounds often expose more languages. If audio won't generate, clear Capcut cache, restart the app, or reinstall. These steps resolve most generation errors and let you reapply the chosen language successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.